amor. Mi hijo es
I didn't think it'd come to this. I hope you don't think I'm gonna beg for my life. You reckon they're gonna give us that reward?
I reckon the last place I want to be right now is stuck here with you. So do yourself a favor and
Listen, I think I got us a way out of here. Hey, lawman.
Well, what can I do you for?
I gotta take a leak.
You gotta take a leak, huh? Well, you can squat your sugar tush right down there and piss in the corner.
I beg your pardon?
I said, you can piss in the corner.
That's enough. Get the damn keys.
They're either coming or they ain't. You move.
Where are we headed?
You don't have to do this.
What do you mean?
I mean, we can go our separate ways. You're finally done with me.
It ain't that easy. I reckon I'm stuck with you for a while now. Maybe forever.
Well, if that's the case, might as well get some good shut-eye tonight, because tomorrow...
I'd know where we're going.
Of course you do. We close? You have no idea where we are, do you?
Well, we need to keep moving. The storm ain't gonna wait on us.
The storm's gonna bury us. Can I ask you something?
As long as you can keep walking while you do it.
What are you hoping to find up there?
Satchel full of money, for starters.
How about redemption?
I ain't no redemption for what I've done. You know that better than anybody else.
You ready to admit you're lost?
Fine. I don't want any trouble.
Are you headed into town?
Just the opposite, actually.
Ask him about the cabin.
I'm getting there. I reckon if there was a cabin nearby, you wouldn't be out here roughing it.
Show him the map.
Would you let me handle this? I don't need another incident. Being honest, I might have got myself a bit lost.
What's the problem?
Stop it.
Tell you what, let's head into town, get you a warm meal and a good night's rest. We'll head out on horseback when the storm passes.
No.
That sounds fine.
Hell it does.
Put that away.
You can still make it out of here alive. Just toss that pistol.
You got a choice. Point me in the right direction, or I can watch you drown in your own blood. Thank you kindly.
I've been sitting up here nearly half a day waiting to hear that sound. Tell me, how much of a body count did you accumulate coming up here? You know, all things being equal, I'd rather you finish me off when you had the chance. I got 2 letters sitting back there on my desk. Just came in this morning. You aware of the contents?
You can go to hell.
We can let the good Lord decide that. But your beau went behind your back to arrange full pardons for you.
I didn't want that.
Well, that's good news then. 'Cause that pardon only covers up until, not including you killing that poor sumbitch. If I'm being honest, I wish that old bastard would have left something up here for my troubles.
You gonna take me in?
No, ma'am, I ain't. I think we're gonna ride this storm out right here.